Hello friends, welcome to this lecture series which is specially designed for you to make you quickly revise each module and to help you score better in the upcoming HSC examination. I am Audumar Patkar, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maharshi Parshuram College of Engineering, Varaneshwar, which is in Guhagar, Ratnagiri. In this short video, I'll be discussing about the module Introduction to Polymer Chemistry. Here we are going to discuss the weightage of the module for the board examination, what type of questions will be asked in the final exam, and some of the sample questions we'll discuss. So let's go ahead. So this module, Introduction to Polymer Chemistry, will be asked for 4 marks in the final exam, and there will be 3 questions. One question will be either MCQ for 1 mark or very short answer question for 1 mark. Secondly, there will be again short answer question, or sometimes the definitions will be asked here for 1 mark. And third question may be again short answer question, or most of the times preparations of some of the polymers were asked for 2 marks. So let's go ahead and see some questions which were asked previously in the board examination. Here is one MCQ which was asked in September 2021. Number of carbon atoms present in isoprene unit is. Now if you remember, the isoprene, that is nothing but the natural rubber. The structure, if you visualize for isoprene, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 number of carbon atoms, right? So the correct option in this case, that is B, 5. Let's check another question. Write the name of biodegradable polyamide copolymer. This was asked in March 2022 for 1 mark. There are 2 polymers given in your syllabus which are biodegradable copolymers, but what they ask here in this question, that is containing polyamide linkage. So the answer for this question, if you remember, that is nylon 2 nylon 6, that is the biodegradable copolymer which is also contains polyamide linkage in its structure. Amide, that is CONH group, you can see in the structure. There is one more polymer which is biodegradable, that is PHBV in your syllabus, but which doesn't contain polyamide linkage. Remember this. Let's go for next question. Define the following term. Elastomers. Elastomers, I hope you know, are nothing but the rubbers. So to define elastomers, these are polymers which have the weak intermolecular forces which permit the polymer to be stretched, right, like this, and when strain is relieved, it returns to its original position. So this is how we can define the elastomers or rubbers. Some of the examples, if you want, that is neoprene or Buna S or natural rubber or Buna N. These are some examples for elastomers or rubbers. So this was asked again in July 2022. Now in September 2021, they asked the preparation of polyacrylonitrile. So this is simple one-step preparation which is given in your syllabus. Let's check. So this polyacrylonitrile is prepared by addition polymerization. And to start the reaction, we require the initiator, where they use the peroxide initiator, that may be hydrogen peroxide or acetyl peroxide like initiator. So what the starting molecule is, that is of course acrylonitrile. And if you remember the structure, it's having CH2 double bond CHCN, right? That is what I said, acrylonitrile. Simple one step reaction you have to show is we are going to take in n numbers of repeating units. What's reaction happen here? That is polymerization. What we require the initiator, as I said, it is peroxide initiator we are going to use. So by the help of this peroxide initiator, this double bond will be breaked and a continuous chain of this acrylonitrile will be made, which we called polyacrylonitrile, right? So the structure will be simple like this: CH2 double bond breaks, which makes here single bond, CHCN, and this is in continuation of long chain with n number of repeating units. This is what we called polyacrylonitrile, right? So this is simple one step reaction you have to show to prepare this polyacrylonitrile. So this polyacrylonitrile resembles the wool and is used as a wool substitute and for making Orlon or acrylan like substances. So similarly, one more preparation can be asked in the exam, which is again a shorter and given in your syllabus, that is Teflon. So Teflon, if you remember, it's chemically polytetrafluoroethylene. The monomer used in the preparation of Teflon is of course tetrafluoroethylene. You remember the structure of ethylene? So similar structure except hydrogens were replaced with the fluorine, which is a gas at room temperature. So let's draw the structure: tetrafluoroethane, that is CF2 double bond CF2. Simple. Instead of hydrogen, I write here as F with n number of repeating units. This is tetrafluoroethane. So to start the polymerization, we required the initiator here again. So initiator is again peroxide initiator we can use, mostly the hydrogen peroxide or ammonium persulfate at high temperature is used. So let's say peroxide initiator, and this reaction we called polymerization. So what will happen? With the help of this peroxide initiator, this double bond will be breaked again and a continuous chain of tetrafluoroethane will be made, which we called polymer, polytetrafluoroethene or Teflon. So write this again, CF2 single bond CF2, and continuation we have to show with n number of repeating units. Simple, that we called Teflon. So this one step simple preparation can also be asked in the exam. So in this very short module, you need to be focusing on some of the definitions, applications of some polymers which are given in your syllabus, and preparation of some of the polymers. So that's it for now. See you next time. Bye bye.